wrapping it up for the night. Today I got this end blocking installed and properly supported and hung, and I even put a few 3/8 inch bolts in for good measure. So it doesn't look like I got much done tonight, but that end is good to go. Tomorrow I'm gonna start with the wall at the end and this door here. So this weekend I can cut stringers and hang the stairs. See you tomorrow. Hot. It's Saturday and I'm probably not gonna film much today, but I'm gonna try to get as much done on the stairs as I can. HVAC is hopefully going in next week, so I need to get this end prepped so I can hang stairs on it, and then I need to build out the framing. I need to do this pony wall here. I need to do the end wall down there up to the ceiling, and I need to do a few more little structural framing things. Like behind me, I need to reframe the dining room header door and also build in the header up here, so to the bathroom and bedrooms area. So that's my goal for the weekend. Couple of framed headers, pony wall, end wall for the stairs, hang the stairs, and get that end bit ready to hang stairs. All right, see how much I can get done. I couldn't think of a good way to secure my door header because you can see there's already so much wood up here. It's hard to get nails through the ends of these boards into my header. So I decided to just drill 3 holes on each side and do dowels with wood glue. And I think that's gonna work out really nice. There, yeah, this header's not going anywhere. I'll still put a few nails in, but I think these will be doing most of the work. The new header and doorway for the stairway, the new stairway I should say, is complete. So the next project today is gonna be finally relocating or replacing that purlin up there on the ceiling. It's hard to tell. And then properly putting all the purlin braces in for this side of the house. What that will enable me to do is start framing out the header that will go to the dining room. And it's gonna be 6.5 feet, which means it'll go from this side, which you can see, all the way to about halfway to the old stairs. So technically I'll be blocking off part of the old stairway right now, which will be okay because tomorrow, with any luck, putting in the new stairway. But first, a quick Home Depot trip to get some hardware, as always. Sunday around 7 o'clock. Dad and I did some crazy work today, so without further ado, let me show you what we've been up to. These stairs were a massive project, coming along very nicely. Cutting 4 stringers took about 4 hours. It was about an hour a stringer. There's 13 risers per stringer and 12 treads per stringer. And so that's a lot of cutting. You probably saw in the video how we did that. We would cut the risers on the compound miter saw, and then these treads we would cut using a skill saw and a jig. And everything came out really nice. Not perfect, but nice. So I've got all of my treads, and of course what needs to go in first is all of the risers. And wood is super expensive right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do some 1x common board for the back side of it, just for the structural part of it, just pine. And on the front side, I'm gonna do either 1/4 inch or 1/8 inch finished plywood, really nice, just painted white. So sanded smooth, painted white. Of course, these treads, these are actual stair treads, as you can see. Most of them are actually red oak. So yeah, you better believe those were spendy. Oh my God. 9 of them are red oak. 3 of them are pine. I don't know. They're gonna be covered by a laminate covering that perfectly covers a stair tread. These are 1 1/16", just industry standard. So Home Depot didn't have many of the cheap pines, so 9 of them are the expensive red oak, but it'll be nice. If I ever want to rip that laminate off and do nice hardwood, I could, stain this red oak, and I'd only have to replace 3 of the pine with new red oak. So, me working at the house all weekend means I've neglected life's other responsibilities, such as, getting a couple of jobs kicked off at the office. So I'm gonna go home, do some work, but very happy with how these stairs are coming out. I've talked with my HVAC guy, Comfort Pro HVAC, super nice, super flexible. He's given me 1 more week because I tried to get everything done this weekend so he could come in this week. Not happening. What needs to happen next is I need to take out these old stairs, put all the 2x10s, these joists up in the subfloor, and put the new floor on top of it. So that will be next. But it's all coming along. All right, I'll catch you guys on the next one. It's midnight. I'm calling it a night. I've got 7 or 8 stairs in. I'll finish them tomorrow, but this is going really nicely. Let me give you a closer view. Stairs are red oak. I've gone with a plywood finish on the front. I'm gonna paint all of these, but really I could stain them. They'd stain up very nicely. But although this beautiful red oak is here, I'm actually gonna cover it with vinyl caps that match the vinyl flooring upstairs that I still have yet to put in. Let's just walk up though a little bit. Woo! Awesome. Okay. Well, not 100% done, but I'm really happy with how they're coming out. All right, see you tomorrow.